What's up, all my investors? It is ShPena. I'm back again with another HINANCE video. Today, I'm going to be talking about, are you ready for a market correction? Is your portfolio able to withstand a market correction? How do you figure this out? How do you make changes? How do you adjust? How do you foresee something happening? Well, this is how I look at it. I'm not a financial advisor. And I'm not saying that you should listen to what I'm saying, but I'm saying that you should take what I'm saying, do some research, and kind of see if it's worth applying to what you got going on with your investing portfolio. Now, when I hear the words, there's a market correction coming, there's a market correction coming. Anytime I hear those words, I want everybody to get scared because I be thinking like a shark. The sharks want everybody to get scared. They want everybody to sell because why? They have money sitting on the sideline waiting to buy. I got money sitting on the sideline waiting to buy. So I hope you get scared and sell all your stock. This is how they're thinking. And they're going to put news articles out there. Market correction coming. Listen, this is how you can tell if you can withstand it with your current portfolio. Take all your stocks. You can break them out by stock. Each stock or all together, your whole portfolio, your profits, everything you have right now, because obviously it's not your money until you deposit it. Now, let's say, for example, you have a $100 stock portfolio. I'm only using this because $100 is just simpler in math terms. I don't want to get nobody lost. I know math is not the favorite subject for many people. $100 is your full portfolio with profits. Let's say you invested 50 and now you profited 50. You got 100 in total. Now, if we have a 30% market correction, which is pretty bad. That'd be pretty bad. I'd be pretty shocked to have such a deep type of market correction, but anything's possible. I can't predict anything. 30%, you just minus 30% of your portfolio. So if you have $100, right? You put in 50, you profited 50, you have $100, 30% of $100 is going to be $30. So that would leave you with $20 in profit. If you have money on the sideline, that allows you to add in more money, right? So then when it goes back up to 30% and maybe even more, you make even double, triple, whatever, right? Now, let's say if you've invested $100, let's say if you've invested $90, you got $10 in profit, and we have a 30% market correction, you are now going to be down, right? Because you take $30 away from the 100, and now it leaves you at 70. If you invested 90, you're down $20. You're not ready for this correction. So you might as well, I would say I hate to tell people to sell, but that means you just got in at not the greatest point. So if you start to see a 5% correction, 10% correction, and once you start evening out, sell before you start losing money, because that's just telling you that there's a good chance it's going to go down. And even if you sell when you're a little bit above, there's always going to be opportunity to buy back in, especially if the market's going down. That's just how I look at it, because you don't want to be scared. If you can withhold the correction, if you can withstand the correction, just know it allows you to add more to your great positions. And in the long run, you're going to make even more money because you didn't sell. You didn't just fold. There were plenty of times, and this is a personal experience, especially in the summertime, right before, I think it was July or June, everything was running up. And then I think, or was it September, August, one of those months, everything ran up. And then that month came, I think it was September, and then pulled everything away, lost everything, lost all the gains that I had. And I was like, wow, like I had my moment. I could have sold for profit. I could have made profits, and now I'm down. What should I do? I stuck to my strategy. I said, I'm long-term, stick it out. And now I've made more gain. I've made triple the gain. Triple the gains. Quadruple the gains. Quadruple the gains that I had back when I thought was the highest moment. If I would have been scared and sold everything, I wouldn't have triple the gains today. So that's just something to keep in mind. Don't let these articles, these news companies steer your decision making. You have to be able to make a decision on your own. So ask yourself, this is how you ask yourself, can you handle, and you can change the numbers. You can do 20%, you can do 30%. Math is very simple. Take your total number, times it by 0.30 or 0.20 or 0.15, 0.10, and that number that you come out, that would be what you would lose if we had that correction. That's how you find out if you're able to withstand a correction. If you can hold it, stick it out. If you're still making profits on a correction, stick it out, add to your positions, and in the long run, you're gonna win. That's how I view it. That's how I view it. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm wrong, if you think I'm just talking out my ass. I'd love to have that debate, because these are my thoughts and everybody has their own thoughts, but I appreciate you all for watching. Don't forget, we have a stocks group chat going on right now. If you want some more information, shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details. We're just trying to build generational wealth, and we're growing weekly. We're sharing articles, we're sharing information, we're sharing what stocks we're watching, and it's just great to see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.